Hello, and welcome to Career and Technical Education's Open House. My name is Katie Allen, and I'm the director of the CTE division. I'd like to introduce Erin Noto, our building principal, Candace Paravati, our coordinator, and Phil Helmer, our coordinator. CTE has been a proud partner with our 9-component school districts for over 50 years. We opened our doors in 1968. Since that time, we've grown and expanded to what we are today. We have 18 approved CTE programs, 4 New Visions programs, 2 of which are embedded. Our auto technology program is at Nye Ford Auto Group in Oneida. The New Visions Law, Government, and Public Administration program is at the Madison County campus. We also have a 10th grade foundations program that offers embedded English and math credit. We have a 9th and 10th grade career exploration program, a 2-year vocational technical preparation program, a workforce readiness program, and a community-based occupational education program. You're welcome to visit and hear from the teachers in all of these programs during our first ever virtual open house.